You're not overwhelmed because you have too much to do. You're overwhelmed because you've wasted too much time doing nothing. Every moment you delay is a moment you'll never get back. You're not losing time. You're giving it away. This story isn't fiction. It's a mirror. And once you see yourself in it, you'll never look at your time the same way again. In a peaceful countryside, where the world moved with the rhythm of nature, there lived a boy named Ravi. Bright, full of potential, admired by many. But Ravi had a fatal flaw. He believed time was cheap. He wasted hours in front of screens chasing dopamine from pointless games and endless chatter. "There's always tomorrow," he'd say. "What's the rush?" But Stoic philosophy teaches us the cruelest truth. You may delay, but time will not. One day the consequences arrived, merciless and silent. Ravi failed his exams. His name vanished from praise and drifted into disappointment. His friends moved on. His parents, speechless. And inside a part of him crumbled. That night, seeking answers, Ravi sat beside his grandfather, a man who lived with the clarity of Marcus Aurelius and the discipline of Epictetus. "Grandpa," Ravi asked, barely holding back tears, "why did I fail? I didn't mean to waste it all." His grandfather responded, "You didn't fail because you lacked talent. You failed because you lacked urgency, because you treated time like an endless resource. It is not." Ravi blinked, unsure. "But there's still more time, right?" The old man leaned forward. "No, Ravi. Time is the only thing you cannot store, save, or rewind. Every second you waste is gone, not just from your calendar, but from your character." He began a story. Long ago, there was a powerful king named Cyrus. He had gold, armies, advisors, but no discipline. He delayed decisions, postponed action, and buried his calling beneath comfort. One day, a Stoic philosopher visited and said, "You fear losing power, but you waste something far greater, your time. You are not lazy, you are ruled by impulses." But Cyrus laughed. He had youth. He had tomorrow. Until tomorrow ran out. When age stole his strength and decay stole his empire, he tried to seek wisdom. But time had already taken what mattered most, his chance, and the philosopher, gone, just like the hours Cyrus tossed away. Ravi sat in stunned silence. His grandfather looked him in the eye.
Self-discipline isn't punishment, it's freedom. Control your time and you control your life. Let it slip and you become a prisoner of regret.
From that moment, Ravi changed. He woke early. Not because he was forced, but because he chose purpose. He studied, reflected, acted. He cut off distractions and made friends with discomfort. He learned to live not for pleasure, but for progress. And the results came not just in grades or praise, but in peace, because Ravi no longer lived by default. He lived on purpose. He became living proof of this Stoic truth.
Don't spend your life preparing to live. Live now, with urgency, with virtue, with discipline. Time lost is never returned, but time used well, that's the foundation of greatness. You're not too late unless you wait.
Thank you for staying until the end. If this message stirred something inside you, don't let it fade. Subscribe to Stoic Voyage and join a journey where your time is not just spent, but invested in purpose. Live intentionally. Waste nothing. Rule yourself. This is Stoic Voyage.